There are people who wake up every morning carrying a sentence they never stop repeating to themselves. I should have been there. I should have protected them. That single thought can make one day feel like 100 years. It doesn't only grieve the past, it steals the present. Some live surrounded by people they love, yet feel unable to truly care for them, unable to give love freely, sometimes even unable to love themselves, not because they don't want to, but because guilt has convinced them they no longer deserve to live fully. But listen to this gently. The Bible never says that sorrow makes you unworthy of life. It says this instead: the Lord is nigh unto them that are of a broken heart, and saveth such as be of a contrite spirit. Psalm 34:18. Notice, it does not say after the heart is healed. It says when it is broken. You were never meant to carry the full weight of what happened. There is a difference between love and responsibility. Love remembers, love mourns, love honors. But responsibility for life and death was never placed entirely in human hands. Scripture speaks with quiet clarity. Cast thy burden upon the Lord, and he shall sustain thee. Psalm 55:22. Some burdens feel holy to hold on to, as if letting go would mean forgetting, as if releasing the weight would mean betraying the one you lost. But letting go of guilt does not mean letting go of love. It means allowing love to breathe again. You are not dishonoring the past by choosing to live. You are not abandoning anyone by stepping into healing. And you are not failing God by admitting you are tired. Jesus once said, "Come unto me, all ye that labor and are heavy laden, and I will give you rest." Matthew 11:28. He did not ask for explanations. He did not ask for strength. He simply offered rest. If today you cannot pray, that is all right. If all you can do is sit quietly and listen, that is enough. And if one sentence can be spoken, even as a whisper, let it be this: Lord, I am tired of carrying what was never mine to carry. Healing does not erase love, it makes room for it to live again, and you are still allowed to live.